Hey guys, I'm Minamoto Pro Beats and today I have a cool unboxing video for you. As you can see, I have this box from WES Audio. You will see in a minute what's inside it. So, as you already saw, this is the WES Audio Prometheus. This is a pultec-style EQ for 500 series for the rack. I will install it in a bit and play you a few audio clips through it so you can get a taste on how it sounds. I will have a full review on this unit really soon. I've got this because I'm a big fan of pultec-style EQs. I have the Quem from Tegeler and I wanted something to use on vocals. This thing is a beast. It has dual mono, so you can use it on 2 channels, for example on the lead vocal and on the ad-libs. It has mid-side, so you can use it in mastering. It has some really nice saturation on the unit. Let me install it in the rack and I will be back with a few audio examples of the unit. So you probably already noticed that I've connected a USB cable to the unit and I want to explain that just a bit. The unit, just like the Better Maker compressor, is an analog unit but is digitally controlled. That means that I have a plugin inside my DAW that I can use to control the unit. I don't have to touch the unit if I don't want it. It's really nice to have the actual knobs. As a first impression, the build quality feels great. I like the pots, I like the buttons. The unit is really solid. Now what I want to do is to play just a few examples just to fiddle around with WES Audio Prometheus. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I will have a full review in a few weeks. Stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, hit the notification button. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next week. Cheers.